To clean a stainless steel stove. First, examine your stove to determine the direction of the metal grain. Look for subtle streaks, or lines in the metal, that go all in the same direction. Spray your stove with white vinegar and wipe it down with a soft cloth in the direction of the grain to remove surface dirt and grime. You can also make a cleaning solution with 1 quart, 0.94 liters of warm water, and 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of dish detergent. For extra stubborn dirt and stains, you may need an oxalic acid-based commercial cleaner. If possible, check your owner's manual to make sure whichever cleaner you use is safe for your stove. Once you've cleaned away the dirt, rinse your stove by wiping it down with a soft cloth, dampened in clean, warm water. Finally, dip a soft cloth in mineral oil and use it to wipe your stove in the direction of the grain. This will give it a polished shine and remove streaks.